Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my PS5 PlayStation gaming setup. So I'm going to show you all my accessories, what I use for gaming, okay? Right here I have my chair that I sit on for gaming. And down here is my wiring system. And I have my sounds interface right there. I have my Razer Blade headphone jack there, and my PlayStation right there, and this is the monitor I use, Gigabyte 27-inch 165 hertz. And back there I have a panel from my IKEA. I have my MIDI keyboard, extra controller, more panel for accessories, and more lights. And here's my skyline. Let me turn on this light right here. I finally saved enough money to buy this skyline right here. Finally able to afford it. Some decorations, some owls, some plant, and a picture. And my wife's gift to me. And this is my headphones. I play with the headphones. This is a Razer Blade headphones. All right. That's it, guys. That's my setup. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like and subscribe. And next episode, I'm going to be showing you my music studio. I'm a part-time beat maker, so stay tuned. If I get 1,000 likes, I will post my music studio setup for you guys. All right, thank you.